Hello everyone, my name is Bilge. Today I will introduce you Foldable Protector Screen. Foldable Protector Screen provides you a practical solution where keeping distance is mostly required. It provides both protection and distance without losing the view. Can be used at offices, schools, markets, restaurants, and many other different places as a sneeze guard. Screen is made of 1.5 mm clear pad with rounded edges for safety. The soft hinges allow adjusting the angles of sides and made of PVC. Smaller one is 400 mm wide and 500 mm height. Sides are 250 mm each. Especially the smaller one is suitable for kids. It can be used at schools, libraries, and kindergartens. It is even easy for kids to set up and carry it because no assembly required. To avoid any scratches, it is shipped with a protection film on it. It is equipped with or without document slot, and we have a fixable option too. Document slot version is suitable in front of a cashier or bank desk. Money, documents, or any transaction can be made easily. If you want to fix it on the table, you can order the version with PVC profiles on the lower edge. This version already comes with PVC profiles and adhesive tape under it. Just peel the adhesive tape under it, adjust the angle, and place it on the tabletop. We have two options for PVC profile version, with or without slot. With its optional bag, adults, even children can carry it one place to another easily. Just fold its sides and put it into the bag. Larger one is 800 mm wide, 600 mm height, and sides are 400 mm each. We have cable outlet version only for the larger one. You can pass through the cable of any technological devices from the slot. Also, you can use foldable protector screen in a Z shape by adjusting the angles for larger table. As you see, it is easy to move and reposition it in any environment. Easy to clean. It is recommended to clean with substances that contain alcohol. Packed in one box and shipped in a flat pack. Custom size available. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay healthy. Goodbye.